Hello everyone, it's me, Sato again from Low Level Cosplay, and I know it's been a while, but I'm back again, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I made Hawk's jacket from My Hero Academia. And if you don't want to miss anything in the future, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and without further ado, let's do it. So, I made a new pattern, and this one is for Hawks. This is outside and this is for the inner lining. Yeah, there's a sneak preview for another project. So now let's trace this onto some fabric. So these are the main parts for the outside jacket. This is the arm and this is for the fur. These strips are all for the fur itself that goes around. This is the neck part, front side, the pocket, the back side, and these parts are for this side here. So now let's transfer this onto some fabric. So for the main fabric I'm gonna use this brown cotton. Yeah, it's a non-stretchable cotton. And then also this for the inner lining, nice and shiny. And of course some, yeah, this stuff. Very hairy, and this will be totally annoying to sew. So I have drawn onto some fur, the fur parts. And now a quick tip to cut these out: don't use a scissor, use a blade. Here now you can see I can pull it apart and it's still attached onto this side. Here are all the pattern parts for the coat itself. Then it's infill stuff right here and the fur. And now we put this aside and start working on this one. Now these are the back part pieces, and now they will get sewn on like so. This goes there and this goes there and this goes there, and this side goes on there, so it's a rectangle. And we will repeat this step for all these pieces. So let's do this. No. So this was usually the first thing, and I wasn't quite happy with this, so I throw this away, and I have sewn this, which has just a seam there, and yeah, it's something like this, and I have made it dry so it gets sewn together on top, and after this it looks like this. Way better, and it holds the shape also way better. Yeah, so now this is done, we can sew it onto the back side. So these weird things are finally on the back side, and they're sturdy enough to hold the shape. Yeah, this is how it looks like from the inside at the moment. And now we can put this aside for now. So for the next step we have this pocket piece, and this will get a piece of fur all around. So let's sew it together, and we have to repeat the step 2 times. So now this is done. We take this and sew around. Now that this is done, we can put it aside for now and start on this. For this we fold it 2 times like this, and then like this, and then we're gonna add a top stitch right there. The top is sewn, and I totally forgot to add some buttons, so I'm gonna attach a pressure button on the inside there and then right there, And on top comes a normal button that gets sewn on, so this will be made next. In the next step we're gonna attach the pockets, and for this we're gonna sew it on like so, and this gets then sewn on like this, so it will kind of look like this in the end. Now that this is done, we can attach this onto the back side. And we're starting as always at the shoulder, so this gets attached right there. The next step, we're gonna attach the arm part right into this armhole. So now that this arm is in, we can sew the side and the arm closed. This is the current progress, and now we can attach the collar. I totally forgot to put this in before. I have sewn everything together, so this didn't fill. And now I have to do it now because I have forgot to attach it. So I will just stitch it all around so it will fit eventually. I finally attached this infill. I totally forgot how it's pronounced in English, so now we can start working on the fur part. So let's start with this. This is a fur part for the arm, and we start by sewing it together right there and repeat this step 2 times. So this is for the arm. Okay, now that this is sewn together, we can sew it right on here. So then when we will fold it in half, we have this. So let's do this on this side and the other side as well. For the front part, we have these 2 times. So this is left and right. This small part is for the collar, and this long part is for the hem. And to sew them together, we start sewing it together. So this is the front top, and this is collar, and we put it like this, and then we sew it together on top. So just this small part, and we repeat the step for all the edges. So this is the front to the collar, and the bottom goes to the hem, and yeah, and we will repeat this on the other side as well. This is a long strips thingy that we have made, and as you can see we have this. We just turn it inside out, pull all the fur out, and then we have a nice corner, and then we can, let me see, so this front, top and bottom, and then we can sew this onto there, all across around. So let's do this next. So I have attached the fur all around, and before I attach the inner lining, I'm gonna sew on 6 buttons. So there, there, there. So let's do this, and then we can start on the other stuff. This is the inner lining that I have prepared before, so it's now time to sew it onto the main part. So, and as you can see, I have attached the buttons on both sides, and now it's just the remaining part to sew it together. So let's do it. For the last and final step, I'm gonna airbrush the seams, and for this I'm gonna mix the Tamiya Desert Yellow with the brown. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a video. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion, and if you want you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, or what I can improve on this channel in general. And yeah, maybe subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because every subscriber counts and keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. And also a thumbs up and a comment is always welcome. It helps me a lot for the future projects, and there will be a lot, because I'm currently working on about 6 outfits simultaneously, so that's why it's kind of stressful at the moment, but there will be videos coming. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. Have a great day, and I'm out. Bye.